Assalamualaikum to Professor Dr. Sharizal and my fellow group mates. I am from Group Iris, and my group and I have developed the task management application, which is known as Bond. So this is my reflection video for this semester. It is my final submission, and what I have learned throughout this whole semester is that I was able to actually learn more about application development, especially with the help of my lecturer, which is Professor Dr. Sharizal. Um, I was able to explore more regarding on the programming, towards more on Laravel, on how the HTML is implemented, the CSS, and how to do a website as well as a mobile application, and also how to connect the link with Tenernet, as well as deploy on the cloud storage, which is Run Cloud, to have a deployed website system. And I learned a lot as well in the journey of throughout the application on my hackathon competition. I was lucky enough that my group and I, Team Iris, was one of the top 10 finalists, which is a very big achievement, especially in our course. And I'm really glad to have, I was lucky enough to have this group, as I was able to learn more with the help of my group mates as well. Mirhanieza and Nuramyra Natasha really helped me throughout the whole semester. They taught me very detailed about programming, how to do a collaboration coding using Visual Studio Code. I believe I learned a lot this semester in this 4 credit subject, and without the help of you, Professor, I believe that I wouldn't be able to achieve all this, even with the heavy report, all the video submissions. We were able to really achieve more and learn more under very extreme pressure. We were able to learn how to pitch as well. And I believe that was a very big achievement, because I don't think any of us were able to had that talent before. So lucky enough, you were very thoughtful throughout this whole semester. You have guided us each way. You have always gave us inputs after every discussion, after every meeting, about the update of the system. And I'm looking forward to actually learning more in the future, especially on real time and as well as on my final year project. That will be all from me. Thank you so much for this one semester with you, Professor Dr. Sharizal, and I hope you have a good day.
Hello, I am Mirhanieza from Group Iris, and there is a lot that I have learned from this project. I mean, from making this project and learning in this course, especially about trying to be independent and taking in so much new information in such a short amount of time. It also teaches me things like teamwork, since I needed to help a lot of people that in need. I need uh, I need to help others if they are not able to do this and that. And then other people also help me in certain stuff that I do not know. And another thing is uh, it has been quite challenging. This course has been quite challenging because of the time management and how we need to do many of the things independently. But it is quite a good experience to me, because in the future I might be going to face a harder situation than this. Therefore, this is quite a good preparation for that moment, and I am quite thankful that I went through all this hardship in this moment before I am going to be uh, before I am going to experience it later on. So therefore, this course made me more ready to move on with uh, this group work situation, trying how to do a project better. I think that is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Prof. Shariza. My name is Nuramyra Natasha Binti Ismalludin, and this is a video about reflections and learning outcome that I have learned from this subject. My name, first thing first that I have learned is about Run Cloud. You were invited Mr. Arif Tukiman, and he teach us how to use Run Cloud, and also he provide us a student package where we can use to deploy our assignment and also project developments to the server. And second is about my hackathon. I would like to thank you for golden opportunities for letting us to join my hackathon. My team member and I were able to be on top 10, and we are able to do pitching our ideas, which we call it as articulates. And then we were able to enhance our knowledge and also gain new experience from the hackathon. And the organizer also helped us a lot to prepare for the to do pitching for the competitions. Moreover, I get to learn how to use Laravel, and I found it quite interesting as it provides lots of common tasks for the web applications. I would say that it's easier to use once you really know how to use it, because it's take a time for the first timer. And then for the coding, we use Visual Studio Codes, and I found it interesting as it provided live sharing sessions where we can do a collaborations to the codes. My team member and I are able to do codes together, and then we find out the solutions to the errors, and then we can even communicate through the audio. It's really interesting, and I was able to enhance my knowledge, my programming knowledge more with the help of my team members, which is Aimi, Rusdi, and also Mirhanieza, and also my classmate who helps a lot. And last but not least, we were get to know how to use the internet that are provided for our project development, which is related to gamifications. And I truly learned a lot from this subject, and I would like to thank you to Prasha for the new experience, new knowledge, and all of that's are related to this subject. Thank you.